Aishu, I have to fix.
I'm Dora.
Okay. Hi Dora. Have to fix this car seat for Thamuru. Why?
Because it's not for Domino.
Then who's? For whom?
For me.
You have red car seat. Do you have? Oh, you want to use this car seat? New one? Okay.
It's for Domino.
That is for Thamuru? You want to give that one to Thamuru? Are you sure?
Yeah, this one and for Maggie.
This one is for Maggie? Which one is for Thamuru? Who used it until yesterday?
Domino pulled my seatbelt. Then she tried to pull. Then she tried to pull the hammer.
Thamuru wearing seatbelt and trying to pull Hanuma? You have to give this one to Thamuru.
No,
Why?
because she want to. He want to try to pull hammer.
Oh, because he's trying to pull a Hanuma?
Yeah.
Did he try to do that?
No.
Hmm.